What's the meaning of chicane? Chicane. Chicane.
Chicane. Chicane. Chicane is a word that has different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In motorsport, chicane refers to a sequence of turns designed to slow down drivers and create overtaking opportunities. In legal contexts, chicane means the use of legal technicalities or maneuvers to delay or obstruct a case. In everyday language, chicane can mean to deceive or manipulate others with cleverness or trickery. Overall, chicane often implies a sense of maneuvering or manipulation in order to achieve one's goals.